Hello everyone! Welcome back to Elexhub channel. It's another day in Elexhub Engineering Department, so it's another tutorial. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang HMC5883L magnetometer sensor. Ito ay isang 3-axis digital compass na ginagamit sa navigation, robotics, and motion tracking. By the end of this video, you will know how it works, how to wire it up, and how to program it with Arduino. So let's get started. First, ano nga ba ang HMC5883L sensor? Ang HMC5883L ay isang 3-axis magnetometer that detects the Earth's magnetic field to determine direction and orientation. Gumagamit ito ng I2C communication and provides X, Y, and Z axis readings for accurate positioning. To follow along with this tutorial, kakailanganin mo ng HMC5883L magnetometer, an Arduino Uno or any compatible board, some jumper wires for connections, and a breadboard. This is optional but can help with neater wiring. Now, let's proceed sa ating wirings. To wire the HMC5883L magnetometer to your Arduino, follow these connections. So we connect the VCC to 3.3 volts or 5 volts on the Arduino. Then we connect the ground to ground, SDA to A4, SCL to A5. Please note that some modules may require 3.3 volts, so make sure to check your module's specifications. Then, before tayo mag-start sa coding, make sure to install the Adafruit HMC5883L library through the Library Manager in the Arduino IDE. Now, let's go through the Arduino code step by step. First, we include the required libraries and then initialize the magnetometer. In the setup function, we start the serial communication and check if the sensor is detected. In the loop function, the code reads the X and Y values, calculates the heading angle in degrees, and normalizes it to a range of 0 to 360 degrees. Then, we map the heading values to compass directions. Finally, the sensor readings and the compass direction are displayed on the serial monitor. If tapos na kayo, upload nyo na ang code nyo sa ating Arduino. Then let's rotate the sensor and observe the heading and direction output. As you rotate the sensor, the heading angle will change based on its orientation relative to the Earth's magnetic field. So the code normalizes this value between 0 degree and 360 degrees and maps it to a compass direction. And that's all for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. See you in the next video. Thank you so much and happy making!